welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can get more clients in your Fiverr account. So to get more clients, you need to follow these steps with me. On your dashboard, Fiverr automatically shows you what you need to do to make a better profile, and it says to become a top seller on Fiverr, you need to get noticed by sharing your gig and getting expert help. There's also an option to share your gigs over here. So first of all, you just need to share your gigs, and that will also help you gain trust and help you gain clients. And you also need skills and exposure. Exposure is the most important part because the clients need to know if your gig exists or not. So if they know the importance of your gig and how useful you are to them, then they will be able to seek you out instead. So you can gain more exposure by sharing your gigs and by learning the Fiverr algorithm. So you need to create as much as gigs as possible as well to establish yourself as a better seller than anyone else. You can just go to your gigs and we can also edit them and make it really attractive with the posters, and you need to keep as much as skills as you want, and you need to fulfill all the requirements. And you should also be able to keep a decent price for your gigs so it will be appropriate for your clients. And if you do all these things, then guys, you'll be able to get more clients in your Fiverr account. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.